Yeah, why don't I just
There it is.
get a big shot in that cedar, pick that puppy right off, and she's got an extension ladder.
A ladder would be good.
Yeah, it will.
There's our tree, kind of right in the middle there. It's probably about 20 feet away from the deck. It goes up about 40 feet, stops dead, and about another 60-foot section's laying on the roof right there. Complete with icicles. Party. And snow is starting to drip off the roof. It's, I don't know, less than 40 degrees out.
There we go.
Nice.
Oh, don't bounce off.
Nice.
Maybe we can get that back in.
Okay, so here's the tree that I'm in. I'm right next to the house. I got my block here. And then this rope goes over to this, which is hanging over the deck. There's Roger. And then it goes on out to the roof. Right about there. So we've got a ladder there. When we start cutting, I think the ladder's going to be in the way. But let's give it a shot. Friends, that's where I've just come from. I just climbed that tree and I tied off that pulley on there, and I got that lowering line tied on there, which is hooked on with my climbing line, and it's clashing with it. And it is tied right on the butt of this log. There we go. And then the butt of this log goes right up over onto the roof of this house. And it's hanging, what is that? That's probably at least 40 foot of tree on the roof itself. Yeah. And then another 20 foot hanging off, that's 60, and then the break is... Okay, Roger's getting his saw ready, and I'm wishing I had vibration isolation on this camera, which I do not. Okay, so here's Eric holding the ladder. Raj just got off the ladder. He's up on the tree that's laying on the roof, and he's pulling up a tag line.
My toes are frozen.
So, you know, in the dark, that's what the rig looks like, and it's what? It's about, what, 3:30?
About 4 o'clock. About
Yeah.
4:30.
Yeah, we're in the Pacific Northwest, about 27 degrees of declination, so
There you go, Mike.
thank you.
Taking this gear off and boogie it. I'm gonna get my headlamp.
So there's TreesVille.